hopefully yours were, wow, Jack, I mean it. Stop. Hey guys, what's up? Over here. Okay, sit down. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY and sewing and fashion videos, and also turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on a future upload. And for all of my lovely returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's video. This week's video is a great, simple DIY project. It's really great for the summer, but I do want to start out by saying that I was not super pleased with how this top turned out, and there was a part on it that kind of messed up. The hemming on this side for some reason just started rolling up, so I am extremely disappointed about that. And overall, this fabric was really hard to work with, but it is really pretty. I made a mistake of buying cheap fabric, and I should know by now that that's probably not the best idea. But if you do want this fabric, it is a Glitter Bug collection fabric at Joann. And some of their fabrics are good, but this one was not. Their velvet fabrics are not very great either. And this one it was just really hard to work with, so I'm sorry you guys. I know it doesn't look the greatest, but I did try my hardest on it, and I've made these before and they turned out fine. So I don't know, it's just one of those things that I'm learning as I'm going. And hopefully your top will turn out much better than mine did. This top is a tie-back top, and it is very easy to make, and it doesn't take super long. It'll take you about 30 minutes to an hour. It is only one layer that I did. You can do 2 layers if you want, but I just wouldn't recommend that in the summertime, and it's really hot where I live. So I also wanted to tell you guys before we get started that your measurements do just depend on how you want your top to look, but it just depends how you want your ties to look in the back, like if you want them shorter or longer. With that said, let's go ahead and get into the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And once again, I am so sorry it didn't turn out perfect and it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to exactly, but you guys get the idea of what to do. And if I were you, I would not buy this material, even though it is really cool. It is a really cool holographic print, and it's also ombre. I don't think you can see it on the front, but it's on the back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Jack and I will see you in our next video.